Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Next.js version 15 complete tutorial series. This tutorial will help absolute beginners as well as expert developers since there are a lot of breaking changes in the new versions than what you would have started learning. This is part 3 of the series. Today we are going to learn how to change the default port. Why do we need it? When you are running a lot of this modern frameworks, etc., a lot of them tend to start using the same port, mostly which is 3000. So let's say you are trying to learn and you already have some application or something else occupying port number 3000. How do you solve it? That's what we are going to learn today. Let's get started. Before I get started, please continue to keep supporting me by liking, commenting, sharing my videos. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Alright, so episode number 3, today we are learning how to change the default port. You can change it in two ways. One, you can go to package.json, just add the new port number in your package.json where it will run. Or if you are building it in a pipeline, you can also set through a environment variable, okay, or through a .env file. Let me show you that now. Alright, so this is a portal we have, and we are building Arc Pay, which is a payment portal which will be used to pay, let's say, telephone bill or internet bill, etc. And I'm going to just run the default npm run dev, and it will run on port number 3000. See, by default Next.js application is running on port number 3000. But if you want to change it, how do you do that is what we are going to learn now. So I'll go to my package.json, go there, inside the dev script or wherever you have, add -p, which is for port, and then give the port number that you want to run on. If that port is occupied, it will throw you error. If it's good, it will run it. Let's go ahead and do that. So see, it's starting np next dev -p 8500. So now my local host, the application is running on localhost 8500. Alright, to test it, let's go ahead to the browser and type localhost 8500 and enter, and we should see the Next.js page. So this is how you can change the default port from 3000 to any page, any port number that of your liking, given that your application is getting blocked or you're unable to start it. Do let me know in the comment section if you're running into any issues. I'll be more than happy to help you. In the next episode, we will deep dive into folder and the file structure. Very important episode. So stay tuned, continue your learning with me, and let's master Next.js with me. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.